Hello everyone. This is my second tutorial, how to mod Split APK. I will mod this app. After installation, take a look at the app carefully. You should use to understand the app first. For the first use, the app show the upgrade message. Now see this. Let's mod this app. I used app link in the description. First, open Split app to make the APK bundle to simple APK. Click Select App from Installed Apps. Now select the app from list, then choose Folder. Click Save to extract the APKs to APK. After extraction, open MT Manager. Locate the extracted folder, then choose APK. Click the app and click View. Click One Class's Dex file. Choose Dex Editor Plus and select all Dex, then click OK. Go to Strings, then filter Word Purchase under. Then click this. Click Search. Now take a look, try to understand the code. Z means Boolean. Simply turn the false value into true to get the premium access. Change the P1 value into true before it's returned the P1. Simply type const/4P1 0x1. It means P1 turn into true. Now save and compile the APK. Uninstall old APK and install mod APK. Now see the result. VIP access activated successfully. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to motivate me. Let's learn together. Keep touch with me. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.